Hi, this is Nick, and we are Friday, 22 June, and at nearly 9 p.m. in the Netherlands Central European Time. We're looking at the market and the developments in Firstcoin, and as you can see, the market is down considerably. Bitcoin down nearly 8%, Ethereum down 9.5%, EOS down 15.5%, Bitcoin Cash down 11%, Ethereum Classic down nearly 12%, Litecoin down 10.5%, Ripple down 7%, Tron down 10.5%, and Robo token down nearly 9%. This is a clearly bad sign for the whole market, but also most of all for Bitcoin. I mean, technically at this level, we started today at 6,700 and we are down now at 6,100 or 200. It seems like for the time being the market has found a little bit of support at 6,100. We're up to 6,200 now, down from yesterday at the same time, 7.5%. But like I said in the last couple of videos, 6,400, 6,500 is clearly a quite strong support level. And as we have fell through that support level, it means that the chances are that the market will go down further, because this was clearly a very important support level and it has not been holding. So we go down to our next support level, which is down at 6,300, where we are now. The next one is around 5,900 or 6,000, and then we are at 5,600. So that's even lower, it could be 4,500. So clearly the market is still looking for another stronger support, and it's lacking positive news. When we look at the news here with Bitcoin news, then we look at US Federal Reserve launches cryptocurrency index, positive news. Japan penalizes cryptocurrency exchanges because Yakuza involvement confirmed. That's of course very bad news. As you know, Japanese Yakuza is the Japanese mafia. So that's negative. Korean government launches investigation in crypto hacks. Also negative news. And then very positive news is that at least 20 billion in crypto investment awaits custodial streamlining approval. As soon as the market is more streamlined and more secure, then a lot of money will flow in. That's what this article says. But as of now, the market lacks positive news and people become impatient. Like I said, these negative this negative news then pushes the market down further, and you can see in the longer term we are out of this downtrend, but we clearly formed a new downtrend. So it's a pity. That's all we can say. When we look at the other currencies, we see a similar trend. Of course, EOS down further than in percentage-wise than Bitcoin, and that is also not good news, as we were at 10, which is also a psychological support level, of course, clearly down below this level. There's some support at 9, which we are now. That could be holding. Otherwise, the next support level is 8. There are conflicting news. There's conflicting news about EOS, especially because EOS is turning its coins away from the Ethereum network and started its own network. And this transformation or this movement goes with all kind of regulations and people losing coins and stuff like that, which gives EOS a bit more of a negative rep than it had before. As you can see, all the other coins are in line with the Bitcoin, and even further. Bitcoin is clearly determining the direction of the market, which is a pity because there's so many other coins which have their own purpose and their own positive developments, like Ripple, doing more and more deals in the financial sector. Tron organizing its own new network and new internet kind of network. But like I said, Bitcoin is clearly still determining the market, and the direction of Bitcoin determines the direction of nearly all the coins. When we look at Firstcoin, we see a similar movement. Also, Firstcoin going down from 3.6 to 3.0, or about 20%. And that is also clearly not good news. As you can see, there is not much support in the long run. This is all really recent. These developments are all very recent, so we have to wait and see where it goes. But as you see, when we look at the volume, for example, then we see that volume here was about 80,000, and that was June 19, so it's only a couple of days ago. Of course, this jump up to in June 16, June 15, up to 6.5, and then even before that we had a 350,000 volume, and now we're back to 5,000, and that's clearly one of the main reasons that this coin goes down. Like I said, what I told you, there's positive news about Firstcoin in the sense that there's a new owner which is working together with the original owner, Mr. George, and they have presented a plan to re-enliven Firstcoin, a new plan that gives that is supported by that shows that Firstcoin is supported by its original projects, and they are working very, very hard to create a new plan and to make these projects work. Part of the projects are working, are active, and as it looks now, the plan is a roadmap for the next 18 months, which is projected that the coin will then be worth much more. But as of now, it's a plan. It looks good. I mean, the new owner also looks very trustworthy, but we have to wait and see until these plans become a little bit more concrete. Also, this weekend, the old management, or the management of this last half year, which is clearly on bad terms with the original owner, will create their own coin, Jack coin, and it's to wait and see what will happen when they have done that, whether they will let go of the control of their part of Firstcoin which they control, or whether they will continue to influence Firstcoin. The original owner also has put in extra money in the past and will distribute that now for the loyal owners of Firstcoin accounts. So it's important that you do your KYC and you register with the form that they have sent you. So exciting developments, and not all is lost. Like I said, the perspective is looking very good, but we're waiting for more concrete developments there. I will keep you posted, of course, and for now, thank you for your attention, and we'll wait and see. I'll see you at the next video.